Here we come to the elevator at JCPenney at Willowbrook Mall in Wayne, New Jersey. It's a Schindler MT, and I'm starting on the second floor because the music is playing very, very, very loudly. And if you don't know, the song is called I Do from Kobe Calais. I wish I can show it to you, but unfortunately, it was just re-leveled. It's called I Do. The song that's what's playing is called I Do from Kobe Calais. Because you know what I love to do? I do want to hear the motor. Coming down?
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and end the video as soon as I get off. I Do from Kobe Calais is the name of the song. Have a great day, ma'am. All right, I can't even get the phone over. But anyways, there you have it, and that'll be it.